In today's interconnected world, organizations rely on mission-critical systems, processes, and equipment to drive their operations. Mission-critical systems are the backbone of organizations, playing a pivotal role in their ability to achieve objectives and deliver essential services. Telecommunication networks that provide vital communication services to businesses and individuals. Industrial sites and factories with complex processes and machinery that require continuous monitoring and optimization. Manufacturing facilities with interconnected machinery and production lines, where downtime can result in significant losses. Public safety systems, such as emergency response networks and surveillance systems that need constant monitoring and reliable communication. As a mission-critical service provider, we emphasize situational awareness of both physical and digital assets. With our full-stack approach, we take complete responsibility for critical components from the network layer to end-user interfaces. By relying on the fault-tolerant and distributed architecture, our BaseN platform ensures uninterrupted services without dependence on third-party cloud or hosting providers. This reliability and sustainability have earned us the trust of mission-critical customers.